Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website, you can get more exposure, outright your competition, and of course, get more customers. So first things first, I have the website builder here. And one of the things that I have to point out is that your website is not secure. Now, this can be a little bit annoying. It can scare customers away, and Google can start not taking you in consideration. But this is very easy, simple solution. Just gotta make sure that whoever did your website installed a security certificate, and that should take care of the problem. So, moving on. Um, the other thing that I have to recommend is to add more relevant content, and not just images, but more wording. So, when you add more information to your website, it needs to be original, it needs to be relevant, and it has to include the keywords that you need to be found for. So, um, make sure that happens as well because I can see that there's not too much relevant information regarding keywords. So that can be one of the things that you're not ranking in a Google search. Now, if we look on the back end of your website, here, all right, so you're being found for 212 keywords. You're getting approximately 61 visits a month to your website, and you have around 862 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that are mentioned in your website. This will give you power so you can be found on Google as well. Now, depending on these links, it will increase your domain rating and your URL rating. Now, not all links are created equal, so you can have hundreds and thousands of backlinks, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most important, if they're not targeting the keywords that you need to be found for, all this can be completely useless. So let's take a look at the keywords that you're being found for really quick. And at first sight, there's nothing relevant that you're being found for. For example, Peerless oil boilers, not that much. You're ranking number two. Um, your brand name, of course, you're ranking number one, which is really good. But then, other than that, I don't see anything relevant here. Let's keep checking. Bargain basement, Newton, New Jersey, not really a relevant keyword. So you can see why you're not ranking. So if I do a Google search for HVAC engine, you can see the first this is sponsored by Google. You pay to be there. Then we have your traditional Google Ads. This is where you pay every time somebody clicks on it. It depends how you set it up. They can charge in different ways, but if it's not done properly, you can end up wasting a lot of money. Now, moving on, this is the map section. And regardless of your location, you can target the whole New Jersey area. You can target specific areas, but you definitely want to be here. These top three are definitely good spots for you to be. And then we have the organic results. We have number one here, which is an HVAC. Number two, we got Yelp on the directory. Number three, it seems to be another company. Number four, this is another directory. Number five, but if I keep going on, I don't see your website here, and this is where you are missing a lot of potential new customers. And just for your reference, 67% of people that do a Google search, they only go for the top three in the map section and the top three in the organic results. That means that they don't scroll down all the way to the end of the page, not even take consideration of going to the second or third page. So a lot of opportunities can be you can take advantage of. Um, so for the purpose of the video, I want to pull out Edison HVAC and see why they're ranking number one. If we look on their website, you can see that they have a lot of things going on here. They have links, they have videos, they have wording, but it's not much of a content when it comes to keywords. That means that the leader that they have is actually working for them because they're targeting the right keywords, and the backlinks that they have probably doing the same thing. Let's take a look on the back end of their website. And yes, you can see that they're being found for over 2,000 keywords. This is bringing them A little over 3,000 visits a month to their website. It's a lot of traffic to their website. And they have over 9,000 backlinks. And you can see that for the amount of backlinks, this number should be a little bit higher, but so far it's doing what it's supposed to be doing, just enough for them to be number one. And let's take a look at the keywords that are being found for. So, for example, this kind of keywords, air conditioning installation near me, there's 800 searches a month, and they're ranking number one. For these 800 searches, 356 are going straight to their website. And you can see that they're targeting one of the sub pages, not the home page. So Edison, Heating and Cooling, the branding name, 900 searches a month. They're ranking number one, of course. HVAC, New Jersey. Here it is, 100 searches a month. And for those 100 searches, they're getting 37 because they're ranking number one. And this is what I was telling you. Um, Being those top three positions definitely has its advantages. So you can see that being number one, they're getting 37 potential customers. Same thing, HVAC companies in New Jersey, 150, they're ranking number two. And for those 150, they're getting 20. AC service, the NJ, 70 searches a month, they're ranking number one, and they're getting 15. So some data that you can take into consideration. And this is what you really need to focus on if you want to be targeting this first page at least. So content, backlinks, and of course the way that backlinks are created. If you have any questions, please let us know. If you think we can help you out, we can definitely help you out. Same thing, feel free to reach out. Our information will be attached to the email, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.